Hey guys, it's Chris, and I have a puppy right here and a puppy right here. And they are a big reason why I'm doing this video today. So, today I'm going to show you how much dog hair I vacuum up in one round, one vacuum session of the house. Now I know this isn't the normal kind of video I do, but I thought it would be fun regardless. A lot of people don't know, or a lot of people just don't realize what comes with the territory of getting a German Shepherd. Different dog breeds shed more or less than other dogs, but I'm just going to speak on these guys right here, German Shepherds. So when you get a German Shepherd, know that you will have to clean a lot because they shed a lot. And I'm going to show you how much they shed in this video. I just vacuumed this entire house 3 days ago. So what I'm going to show you is going to be 3 days worth of dog hair. They shed from the minute I get done vacuuming, it starts accumulating again. And I can't constantly vacuum, you know? So I only have a few rugs in the house. The majority of my house is hardwood floors. So I just kind of, you know, my vacuum cleaner over here, I'll just kind of take this attachment right here and kind of like get the corners and everything. And I'm just going to show you everything that we're going to pick up today. If I don't vacuum every single day, it will accumulate, and it just makes me feel like I'm unclean. So let's jump right in here. Okay, so I have here a Shark. This video is not sponsored by them. This is just my vacuum that seems to work better than the others when I'm cleaning up hair. So I just want to show you guys right now that it is empty. There is nothing in it. It's cleaned. And I usually have to empty these 2 or 3 times, maybe even more, while I'm doing one session of vacuuming. Behind the plant over here, we got a bunch of hair, as you can see. Okay, so right there we got some. You will be surprised about how much hair I take off of a rug within a course of 3 days. Over here at the couch, I don't let them up on the couch, but as you can see over here, under the table, look at that. It looks like I have never cleaned my house. It's a lot. I also have this mini vacuum cleaner here, which definitely helps out getting in some of these crevices. We already have to dump this. Pop it open and it's pretty full. Okay, I'm gonna put it all in this bag for now just so we can see at the end how much hair there is. There's our first batch. Ziggy doesn't like the vacuum, Minnie doesn't really care. And oftentimes you'll find a big plug of hair like that, just laying on the floor. This one right here, I would say belongs to Ziggy. So around this time of year, when it starts to get colder out, they'll start shedding more and they'll grow their winter coat. The kitchen's already pretty clean, and I'm not telling you this so that discourage people from rescuing a German Shepherd. I am telling this because a lot of people don't know. And oftentimes people get German Shepherds and then they find out how much work they are, and then they want to find them a new home, and that's not fair to the German Shepherd. Yeah, we're going to show you guys exactly how much hair they produce. Come on guys, let's go. Go, 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 go. There we go. You got to trick them to do it. It's still a little bit crooked. Come on, over here. Come on. There we go. There we go. We did it. We did it, guys. So, as you can see, it accumulates on the stairs, and that will happen immediately after I'm done vacuuming. Like 10 minutes later, I will start to find a slight buildup of hair again. Okay, rather than using the big vacuum cleaner here, I'm just gonna use this one. It's a lot easier. We've already done the entire downstairs. Now we're gonna work our way upstairs. Okay, the upstairs is pretty much just a hallway. We got a couple bedrooms down there. And then we have these over here. And this is a prime spot for the hair because this is where Indy likes to lay down when I have the gate closed when he's upstairs with me. Because anybody down at the door, he just sits there and he waits and he barks at anybody that comes near the house. So there's always a ton of hair right here. Okay, this is a prime example of how the hair accumulates in certain places more than others. Let me brighten it up a little bit. And you also have pieces of cotton stuff that they rip out of their toys. Thankfully, they don't eat it. And that sound means it's full again, so it's time to empty. This is a perfect example. I just vacuumed in here, and already, here, there's hair right here, right here. I'm gonna vacuum that up real quick. See, like I said, it's never ending. I'm gonna put this in our bag right here, and we're gonna show you how much hair we got. I know this is gross, but the bottom part. All right, this is how much hair we have. There we go, that's it. That is one vacuum session of my house after not vacuuming for 3 days. There it is. Well, there you guys have it. That's my routine. You saw it first on the Vegan Zombie channel. You guys got a video and I got my house cleaned. So let me know in the comments below if you have any pups and if they shed or not and what your routine is. Go ahead and thumbs up the video, share it, subscribe, survive, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys in the next video.